The son of U.S. President Hunter Biden on Thursday unexpectedly pleaded guilty to all counts in a tax evasion case. Hunter Jr. thus avoided a public trial, but potentially agreed to a large prison term. Participants in the trial in Los Angeles federal court Thursday, in the presence of the defendant, were about to begin jury selection. Instead, Hunter halted the trial with his own statement. Judge Mark Scarsey responded by announcing that Hunter faces up to 15 years in prison and a fine of up to $1 million, and set sentencing for December 16th. Hunter is charged with failing to pay taxes totaling $1 and $4 million. Normally, defendants in the United States agreed to plead guilty in exchange for the prosecution agreeing to drop some of the charges and reduce the requested sentence. But in this case, as reporters relayed from court, there was no agreement with prosecutors. Hunter earlier in the day offered to avoid a trial through a rare legal maneuver. He would have accepted all counts, but would have formally pleaded not guilty. Prosecutors objected, and after a break, Hunter's lawyer told the judge that his client would plead guilty despite the lack of a plea deal. In a statement released after the court hearing, Hunter explained that he pleaded guilty to spare his family from attending a trial where unpleasant details of his life during his years as a drug addict would have been made public. "I put them through so much, and I can spare them at least that," he said. Hunter was found guilty in another case over the summer, and Joe Biden has already said he loves and respects his son, but has no intention of pardoning him with his presidential power. The guilty plea reverses a weeks-long trial that would have taken place in the midst of a campaign. Hunter was found guilty in June of concealing his drug addiction when he purchased a gun in 2018. In doing so, Hunter Jr. became the first convicted son of a sitting president in U.S. history. He appealed the verdict. Hunter later recovered from his drug addiction, as his father also said.